Welcome back to MS EASY IELTS 8.8. Today, we are discussing the nature of conflicts and the importance of respect. To start, how can we stop an argument from escalating into a serious fight?
I believe the most effective way to de-escalate a heated situation is to practice emotional restraint. Instead of reacting impulsively, one should take a step back and engage in active listening. Often, arguments spiral out of control because people feel unheard. By validating the other person's feelings, even if you don't agree with their logic, you can lower the tension and move toward a rational dialogue.
That requires a lot of maturity. On the other hand, why do some people go to the other extreme and avoid arguing with others altogether?
Many individuals are conflict-averse by nature. They might fear that a disagreement will permanently damage a relationship or lead to social awkwardness. In some cultures, open confrontation is seen as a sign of disrespect, so people choose to suppress their opinions to maintain social harmony. However, the downside is that this can lead to simmering resentment over time if the underlying issues are never addressed.
Moving on to the topic of respect. Who do you think should be responsible for teaching children to respect their teachers?
I'm of the opinion that it is a collaborative effort, but the primary responsibility lies with the parents. Values are first instilled at home, and children often mirror their parents' attitudes toward authority figures. That said, schools also play a pivotal role by creating a culture where mutual respect is expected. If a child sees their parents and the school working in tandem, they are much more likely to develop a genuine sense of respect.
Finally, how can we show respect to others even when we strongly disagree with their point of view?